was just sent the set of 3 flour sack tea towels. These are really great because they're so versatile in so many different ways. Now this is a 3-pack and they are 18 by 28. So this is a really nice size. It's got a little area here that you can easily hang it up as well. Now you can use these for crafting, put some embroidery on there, even put some paint, things like that. Or you can set them out, use them to wipe off counters. You can use it just as a little area so that way your pans don't slip around. These are nice, beautiful little tea cloths. I'm gonna bring you in here close so you can take a look at it. So here's a towel up close. I've actually went ahead and got it wet just so you can see just how it does do with wiping up counters. So you can easily wipe off the counters and make them work really well with that. Shove them in the washing machine, get them all cleaned up, but it's got a nice texture to it that would be great for any sort of crafting project, or have them out to be able to do daily cleaning.